Are you wondering whether your marketing efforts for your e-learning course are paying off? Do you want to know how to measure the success of your campaigns? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll show you how to analyze your marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions for the growth of your e-learning business. The first step is to identify your key performance indicators or KPIs. These are the metrics that will help you measure the success of your marketing efforts. Examples of KPIs include website traffic, conversion rates, email open and click-through rates, social media engagement, and revenue generated from your course. Once you've identified your KPIs, it's time to gather the data. This may involve setting up analytics tools on your website and social media channels, creating reports from your email marketing platform, and tracking revenue through your e-commerce platform. With your data in hand, it's time to analyze it. Look for trends and patterns in your KPIs. Which channels are driving the most traffic and conversions? What type of content is resonating with your audience? Are there any areas that need improvement? Based on your analysis, make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing efforts. For example, if you notice that your email open rates are low, try testing different subject lines or sending emails at different times of day. If you see that social media is driving a lot of traffic, consider investing more time and resources into those channels. Finally, it's important to continuously monitor and adjust your marketing efforts. Set up regular check-ins to review your KPIs and make adjustments as needed. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process and it's important to stay adaptable and open to change. In conclusion, analyzing your e-learning course marketing efforts is crucial for achieving success in the competitive online education landscape. By regularly monitoring and measuring your marketing activities, you can identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategies and achieve your goals. Remember to set clear objectives, track relevant metrics, and adjust your approach based on your findings. With a little effort and attention, you can optimize your marketing efforts and drive more traffic, leads, and sales for your e-learning course. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.